And that's how I adopted John.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's Filmora 14 tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create the anime split edit effect step by step. And with Filmora, it's actually much easier than you might think. So let's jump right in. Well, the very first thing right here, of course, is to drag down your video and then align them right in your timeline. Now that I have my video clipped right in this way, as you can see, the very first step right here is to select Outer plus C to go to the crop and zoom panel, or else you can just right select and then use this option right here, which is crop and zoom. Right here, the first thing is to select on the ratio and then select custom. Right here, I'm going to customize in this way. You can do it your way according to the type of split screen that you want, but for this case, you can crop my numbers, then apply. Select that video clip and then go to the effects and filters, and then copy the effects paste on all the remaining clips in your timeline. You can revisit each individual clip to readjust the cropping if necessary. So after revisiting mine, I managed to split it in 3 like this. Now let's go to the important part, the animation and the shaking effect. Well, first thing, of course, is the animations. Move your playhead on the very first frame and then drag your video down like this way. And that gives it a flip-in animation. Now you right select this video and then choose the compound clip. Now you go to the effects tab and then search for the dissipation blur, and you are going to add this effect at least 3 or 4 frames after the starting frame of your video clip. Now just a few things for you to change here. For example, the blur intensity, adjust it to something like 10, clarity radius to 0.20, add a keyframe on the very first frame of this effect, and then move to the very last frame of your effect and then reduce the intensity to 1. Go back to the effects tab and then search for the gunshot effect. Go back to the effects tab and then search for the extreme. You may need about 7-8 frames for this extreme effect. And then on the effects properties, on this very first frame, add a keyframe. Increase the frequency to 400. Reduce the position to 0. And you can increase the position Y a little bit. Disable the RG separate and enable the motion blur for a smooth effect. You can of course add the direction blur on the last. Now you copy these effects and then go back to main timeline. Select the second clip again, create a compound clip, and then paste those effects and then adjust them accordingly. Repeat the procedure to all your remaining clips for your edit. Now for other clips, of course, they are not all animating from the bottom direction, like you can do the opposite as well. And for that matter, on the first keyframe, you just have to drag it upwards like this way. And now, my dear friends, the only thing for you to do here is to align the starting frames of all these compound clips according to your beats. So I'm going to align it this way. And here's the final output. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. See you in the next one. Peace.